Uh, Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are doing well. Uh, I would like to talk about uh, paper art. Now, it might be that white people having been the most professors in archaeology departments, they discovered homonality and then made deductions based on what they've discovered. Because I think that's the main thing that uh, is driving science, because we forget about nature as a journal, that you have to publish in Nature in order for your work to be well read. So it's still the same. So even those Chinese who are producing 4 million titles of books, perhaps they're just producing titles and not writing them because they are still kids. They will write them in 10 years time, in 50 years time. They have maybe a 50-year plan because they know the life expectancy that they've been given is this and this. Considering all the risks, is that when you're an adult, now you see a real risk because you understand the difference between what I've been taught, an elephant in a picture, and an elephant while I'm driving a car at night in a place I don't know, but the board I saw last was Mfolozi Game Reserve. So the scales where the people at that time, even white people who were educated, were they able to scale a map to say, okay, even though we have aerial photographs, but how big is this place? Because how big is our lens? And what portion of the world is our lens showing us by just looking at what we are looking at through this small lens? But this lens is bigger than the lens of a microscope. Good morning. Ya ngilale kahle, ulale kahle kahle nawe. Ukundile. Ilokhu nje isa-on emawuzeni. Ungayidubuleki ithanga, ungayidubulisi ilokhu. Ungathi uma usuwotha umlilo lapho ulokhu ususilokhu nje. Uyazi nawe red, safe. Uma wukuthi usubona u-red. Uma wukuthi usubona yabona uma uspenda-ke uyayilimaza. Uyayilimaza ngoba asikaze sivele ndawo sona siphelele, sibonwe abantu kuphela uLophila noMthiya kuphela. Lapha kwividiyo sivela la ekufa khona umSuthu. La mSuthu uyibulawelwe iy'nkomo mfethu. Ilapha ka-Facebook ilapha ka-Facebook, awuyibheke, ubheke kufa umSuthu ukuthi umSuthu ufa kanjani lapha phansi kogesi.